Tonight on South Padre Island, we're at the Starlight Beach Access, one of the 4 access points on the island of many that tested medium for bacteria the last couple of days. Not usually a big issue. If it goes to high, that's an issue, but right now, not a problem at all, and it probably won't go to high. Most of it should settle back down. One of the reasons that you see that is just because of all the rain over the valley the last few days. Look at the map that shows how much has fallen since Sunday, just over this end of the valley. And you've seen in parts of Brownsville 2 to 2.5 inches, even here on the coast, about a half an inch of rain, and all that water, there's a lot of runoff from that, and that runoff carries stuff with it, things like, well, dog and cat waste, and that ends up eventually in the water and causes there's a lot of water out here, so it takes a lot to make any difference, and really just going to medium is a big deal for us because it never happens, but not affecting your beach conditions at all to speak of. So we'll keep an eye on it. In the meantime, again, those are your rainfall totals across the area since Sunday. Now, the last 12 hours, our satellite and radar showed some stuff along the coast this morning, but then it went away. As quickly as it went away, I think that is pretty much the end of it. I think things are fading, and as they fade, I think we're going to see less and less of a chance of rain. And I think we're dry all the way through the holiday weekend. After that, I just don't see much of a chance of rain anymore for tomorrow, for Saturday, for Sunday, for Monday. I think we're pretty much dry beyond that. What are our rain chances? Well, mainly dry tomorrow and then dry on Saturday and again on Sunday. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our current temperatures across the valley, see where we stand right now, and readings at this hour are still pretty warm. We're of course cooler out here than anybody else. Temperatures at the island are 88 or so, but inland you're looking at 90 to 98 degrees across the region, so it is a hot day across deep South Texas. Now the dew points, well, they're up as well, especially out here where we are. Dew points at the coast are running upper 70s, pretty close to the top of the Muggy meter. We're looking at about 78, 79 along the coast for dew points, and when you get that high again, you're kind of pegging the Muggy meter. Take a look at what it's doing, and you'll notice that we're definitely up in the very humid category and likely to stay there for a while. Now, your heat index is when you add the temperature and the humidity together, you notice what happens is it feels a lot hotter than what it really is. It feels like it's 111 right now in Starr County. It only feels like 99 in Brownsville. It feels like about only 99. It feels like about 104 in the Harlingen area this afternoon. As we look ahead to the next 3 days, temperatures are going nowhere but up. Today, again, temperatures were in the upper 90s, low 100s, and tomorrow it's likely to be at least that, if not hotter. The average for this time of year is 95. We're going 95, 97, 98, and likely going to hold there after that. Let's watch Future Track and see what it does for us. And I'll be honest with you, it's not going to do much for us as far as rain goes. I think our rain chances have pretty much faded away. You look at tonight into tomorrow, tries to trigger a spotty coastal shower, but something light, nothing more than that. And then you keep going forward from there, and it just stays mostly dry. For Friday, for Saturday, for Sunday, we just don't see much of a change valley-wide now. I think the rain chances are fading, and with that, you can count on sunshine and hotter temperatures. If you're headed our direction toward the coast, here's what you can expect here. Starting in the morning with temperatures early in the day in the 80s, and we peak at the beach in the upper 80s, probably late morning typically. Then the sea breeze kicks in and temperatures level out. They don't cool off much, but they level out as the day goes on. The UV is extreme, rip current risk is moderate, the surf temperatures at 85. Again, air temperatures topping out, upper 80s, close to 90 tomorrow afternoon. Here are the tides for you. You can see what else is going on, your bay water temperature, everything else you need to know. The bay is a little bit choppy. So tonight across the valley, skies, let's just go with mostly clear. Low temperatures tonight will be in the mid-70s, pretty much valley-wide, about 79. And then tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, breezy, and hot. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon are going to average the mid-90s across the valley. If you're McAllen westward, you'll probably go over 100. Here's the 7-day forecast now, and it keeps temperatures in the mid-upper 90s all the way through the forecast period. Nighttime lows, upper 70s, even 80, with the chance of rain dropping down to not 0, but about as close to 0 as you can get. Tomorrow, probably 5%, something like that. Most of the rest of the forecast period looks sunny, it looks hot, and it looks dry. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Live on South Padre Island, Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.